Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today I'm about to show you how to delete easily your Facebook page by your laptop or PC. For that, log into your Facebook account, go to your account, then you will find this three dots option here. Click on this, then go to page and tagging settings. Then you will see privacy option here, and then at the second of this you will find Facebook page information. All of your Facebook page information contains here. Then at the middle you will find deactivation and deletion. Then go to view. You can see you have two options here, deactivate page or delete page. So the process of deactivating and deleting page is quite the same. But today we want to delete our page. So I'm selecting this option and then continue. You have to remember that if you delete your page and follow these steps, you will be not able to retrieve the content or information your page has shared on Facebook. But if you reactivate your page, you will get all the informations that you have uploaded earlier. Also, you can download your information from here and they will send you an email for your informations, and also you can transfer a copy of your information, and you can also transfer these informations to another device. Now I will just continue. Then you have to put your password here that you had given earlier, then just simply continue. This is how you easily delete your page. That's it for today. See you in the next video.